Hi, so as you know, in the Stampin' Up world, Celebration is on at the moment, and for every £45 you spend on any product across the Stampin' Up inventory, you get to choose a free item out of this Celebration catalogue. Now, I understand that maybe you might not all want to join and buy the kit that's £99 and get £170 worth of products, but you might want to take advantage of getting, you know, a free stamp kit or some free paper or ribbon or whatever that's in here. So all these catalogues are on my website, by the way, applelover53.co.uk. Click on the Stampin' Up tab and you'll find Shop Now, View Online, PDF catalogues, request catalogue, all the information's there. But what I thought I'd do, I'm going to put a kit together. So I'm going to supply you with all the supplies that you need to make 6 cards. And if you buy this kit from me, once you've bought it and paid for it, I will send you a link to a private video showing you how to assemble the card designs. So what you're going to get in the kit is 1 sheet of the lovely lipstick A4 cardstock, 2 sheets of the A4 Whisper White thick cardstock, which is 270 GSM, 1 sheet of the regular Whisper White cardstock, which is great for stamping and that kind of thing. So is the thick, but the thick is more for making the basis of your card. You're going to get a 1/4 sheet of one of these designer series papers. And the reason I'm saying one of them is because I've not decided which design I'm going to use in the kit yet. But I just thought I'd show you. This kit is beautiful. You get 12 sheets, 2 of each design, and it's all double-sided. So you get hearts on one side, and then you get small hearts on the other. Then on this one you get beautiful flowers, and then on the reverse a small kind of all over leaf pattern. This one is beautiful as well, kind of tone on tone flowers, and when you turn it over you've got hearts. This one is, the colour in the background is called Crumb Cake, and it's got all the colours of this set in it. And then on the other side it's white with leaves and a small pattern. Another beautiful flower design that's got balmy blue in it, soft sea foam, flirty flamingo, and then a kind of plainish on the reverse. And then another one that's similar to that one in a different colourway, and again a different back. So there'll be a 1/4 sheet of one of these designs in your set. You're going to get 2 full-size ink pads. I'm all in the video, I'll probably be using the small ink spots, which I'm going to, you know, make my own ink pads, but in your kit you will get 2 full-size ink pads in colours of your choice. I'll probably use Lovely Lipstick and Granny Apple Green for my designs, but as I say, you can choose any colours you want. You're going to get a permanent adhesive snail, 1 complete. You're going to get a full pack of dimensionals. Can't remember how many's in here, but it's a lot. You get 2 sheets with loads on, so a full pack of those, and the stamp set to go with it, which is photopolymer, so you'll need a block to put it on. And again, I can provide a block if you've not got it at an additional cost to the kit, but you know, if you've got blocks, you'll get the stamp kit, and then you'll get, I've not got a full pack to show you, but you'll get a 1/4 pack of a full pack of rhinestones. So for the whole kit, including your postage and package, which will be 2nd class signed for delivery, that whole kit will come to £48.33. Now, the cost before the postage and packing is just over the £45, so that means that you will earn a free item from the Celebration catalogue. So you get to choose any one of the items that's in here that's a £45 value item, because there are 2 items in the back where you've got to spend 90 to get those. So there's Hello Cupcake stamp set, there's 5 reels of organdy ribbon combo pack, there's butterfly wooden embellishments, there's a pack of botanical butterfly designer series paper, which is beautiful. Some of the patterns on one side I'm not keen on, like these kind of big bold designs, but the reverse side is all black and white and all lovely patterns. There's the By the Bay stamp set, Home to Roost stamp set. There's the Grapefruit Grove and Lovely Lipstick foil sheets. There's So Hoppy Together, which is a stamp set. And there is Part of My Story. Lovely Lattice, which is another stamp set. And then there is a card kit, which is beautiful, Precious Parcel card kit. So any one of those items you could choose by buying this kit from me. The only 2 items in this celebration that you can't get with this kit are the last 2, so the framelets and that stamp set, because they're a £90 worth of value. But if you bought 2 kits, you could get one of those, because 2 kits would come to £90. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a deadline on ordering, so that that will then give me time to see how many people want it, and I can order all the products. You can tell me what celebration item you want, so I can obviously order that in, and then I'll package everything up, and then hopefully by the end of January your kit with your free celebration item will be sent out to you in the post. And as I said, there will be a link to a private video showing you how to make the 6 cards. So if you're interested in buying this kit, don't go to my Stampin' Up online shop. You've got to contact me. Go to my applelover53.co.uk website. The deadline for ordering your kit with me is going to be Monday the 21st of January. So I hope you like the idea of the kit. Please do get in touch with me through my website www.applelover53.co.uk, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.